Click on the link below to get discount. The CANEST Smart Toilet with Bidet Built-in is an innovative addition to any modern bathroom, seamlessly combining luxury and practicality. From the moment it was installed, it transformed my daily routine, turning a mundane task into a refreshing experience. One of the standout features is the built-in bidet system. The adjustable water temperature and pressure settings cater to personal preferences, making it feel customizable. The gentle foam dispenser enhances comfort and cleanliness, providing a soft and refreshing feel that toilet paper alone cannot match. This feature not only adds a sense of luxury but also promotes better hygiene, significantly reducing the need for traditional cleaning products. The 1000g MaP flushing system is another highlight. With its powerful yet efficient flush, this toilet has proven its effectiveness in waste removal. I've never encountered any clogs or issues, even with heavy usage, which speaks volumes about its reliability. The noise level during flushing is surprisingly minimal, contributing to its overall premium feel. In terms of design, the CANEST Smart Toilet is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any bathroom aesthetic. The ergonomic shape is not only visually appealing but also provides comfort during use. Installation was straightforward, thanks to detailed instructions and all necessary components included in the package. Additionally, the energy-saving features are commendable. The toilet employs a low-power mode when not in use, making it an environmentally friendly option. Cleaning is straightforward, too, thanks to its smooth surfaces. Dirt and grime don't accumulate easily, which makes maintenance less of a chore. Overall, the CANEST Smart Toilet with Bidet Built-in has exceeded my expectations in terms of functionality, comfort, and aesthetics. It represents a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom experience. The combination of modern technology and user-friendly features truly sets it apart, making it an essential fixture in any contemporary home.